In a world captivated by the allure of perfection, where the veneer of our lives is carefully polished and curated for public consumption, it's easy to forget that our flaws and mistakes are the very building blocks of our humanity. It's an unavoidable truth of our times. We strive to hide our imperfections, yet it's these imperfections that define us, shape us, and ultimately make us who we are. The Japanese art of Kintsugi offers us a beautiful metaphor for understanding this and reminds us of the beauty that can emerge from our broken pieces. Kintsugi, which translates to golden joinery or golden repair, is an ancient Japanese art form that involves repairing broken pottery with lacquer mixed with powdered gold, silver, or platinum. Instead of disguising the cracks and imperfections, Kintsugi highlights them, turning them into a source of beauty. The philosophy behind Kintsugi is rooted in the idea that an object's history, including its fractures and repairs, should be honored rather than concealed. It celebrates the idea that something can become more beautiful after it has been broken. In our modern world, the art of Kintsugi has a profound relevance. We live in an era where social media and the relentless pursuit of perfection have us all trying to hide our flaws and mistakes. We are under constant pressure to present a flawless facade to the world. Mistakes are often stigmatized, and individuals who make them can face harsh judgment and condemnation. But what if we looked at our lives through the lens of Kintsugi, understanding that our flaws and mistakes are not something to be ashamed of, but rather something to be embraced? Mistakes are inevitable in life. They are the threads that weave the tapestry of our experiences. Each misstep, each blunder, carries with it an invaluable lesson. These lessons shape us, they refine us, and they help us grow into better versions of ourselves. When we deny our mistakes or try to hide them, we not only deny ourselves the opportunity to learn and grow, but we also rob others of the chance to learn from our experiences. What makes our journey unique is that everyone makes different mistakes and learns different lessons. What one person may consider a mistake could be a pivotal learning moment for another. When we share our stories of imperfection and vulnerability, we create a space for empathy, understanding, and connection. In doing so, we dismantle the facade of perfection that so often isolates us from one another. Moreover, the mistakes that others make are treasures of wisdom waiting to be uncovered. By embracing our own imperfections and those of others, we foster a culture of learning and resilience. Mistakes become less about blame and more about opportunities for personal and collective growth. So, how can we apply the wisdom of Kintsugi to our lives in this digital age? It starts with acknowledging that perfection is an illusion. We must give ourselves permission to be imperfect, to make mistakes, and to learn from them. Instead of hiding our flaws, we can choose to celebrate them as a unique mosaic that makes us who we are. Furthermore, we should extend compassion and understanding to others when they stumble and fall. Rather than rushing to judgment, we can offer support and encouragement, recognizing that they, like us, are on a journey of growth and self-discovery. The art of Kintsugi serves as a powerful metaphor for how we can approach our lives in a world that often demands perfection. Just as the golden seams in a Kintsugi repaired piece of pottery enhance its beauty, our imperfections and mistakes enrich the tapestry of our existence. They are the golden threads that make us whole and unique. By embracing our flaws and learning from our mistakes, we can not only become better individuals, but also contribute to a more compassionate and understanding world where the beauty of imperfection shines through. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.